pensioners ng Social Security System o SSS, may inilunsad na Low Interest Pension Loan Program o PLP ang SSS para sa inyo. Sa ilalim po nito, hindi nyo na kailangang mangutang ng pera sa sangla ATM money lenders kung saan umaabot nga po ng 20% ang interest. Para pag-usapan yan, magkakasama natin si Jay Labadia, ang acting head ng SSS Media Affairs Department. Magandang tanghali po.
Di kay may iniinda kang sakit na gusto mo ng agarang lunas. Tigil na po muna sa kakainom ng mga tableta at baka time mo ay masira. Blower na panlunas nasa Pilipinas na.
Kung iyong mamasdan, mistulang blower lamang ng buhok pero lingid sa kaalaman ng marami, mayroon itong terahertz frequency, quantum technology at optical quartz light technology na kayang pumuksa ng anumang uri ng sakit sa iyong katawan. Ang radiant energy na ibinubuga ng iTeracare therapy device ay kayang tumagos sa iyong balat, internal organs maging sa iyong mga buto. Nasa may lalim ito na 20 hanggang 30 sentimetro upang ayusin ang mga baradong ugat at mapaganda ang daloy ng dugo sa katawan.
People need to know because this involves a lot of people out there with stage 3 and stage 4 kidney problem. Now, before we introduce you to talk about your grandson, with your permission, can I show his photo?
Yes, please.
So that our viewers can get an idea. So tell us about Christian and how his problem started.
One day in April of 2021, I got a phone call from his girlfriend that he was in the hospital. And she said, well, he's all right, but his blood pressure's a little high. Seems like what happened was he had just come back from Hawaii tattooing and he saw all these black spots in front of his eyes. So he thought it was just from hours and hours of tattooing. So he went to get an eye exam and they kept taking his blood pressure. Next thing, an ambulance shows up and he's in the hospital for the next 15 days in the University of Columbus Hospital. That his blood pressure was so outrageous. They'd never seen anybody live with blood pressure that high.
I'm sure a lot of viewers would like to know, how did you blow on him and did he drink the wondered water?
My instinct was to set him down and blow him for hours and hours and hours and make him drink as much water as I could.
Okay.
And then I blew.
So you gradually increase. Yeah.
Gradually. When I started wanding and we did the hands and the feet and behind his knees and a little bit, only like 2 minutes down his back. So I did that for about another 2 weeks and then I increased it to 5 minutes. Then I started in his kidneys in the back. So as you can see from the screen, the last time he went, his creatine had gone down to 3.1 and his GFR was 26. Now that still puts him in stage 4, but if we can get it to 30, I think is stage 3, and she said, you're doing so good. And this is what did it. This right here.
Thank God for that. His vision was already impaired at that time.
His vision had started going down. It started a little bit, and then it got so that he could see out of the corner of his eye. 6 months where he went pretty dark. Eventually, he's completely blind. He sees nothing. It's black, and his kidneys kept getting worse.
So when you say his kidneys getting worse, you're referring to the creatinine level, and then the GFR, right? Glomerular filtration rate is sort of like going down, right?
Sort of going down, yes. I found something. Well, I found this magic wand.
I got numbers here that you shared. March, the creatinine level was 4.7 and the GFR was 15. And then in April, the creatinine level came down and the GFR went up, which is good, right?
Right. Christian told his doctor what we were doing. He said, my grandmother had a device. She said that it's natural healing. And she just said, well, whatever you're doing, keep it up.
Keep it up. Just keep doing it. Don't stop. Okay.
Magandang tanghali, Miss Cheryl Cosim at sa lahat po ng nakikinig at na sumusubaybay po ng inyong programa.
Ano po itong magandang balita para sa mga SSS Pension Loan Program o PLP sa ating pensioners?
Opo, ito po isang pautang na programa ng SSS para po sa mga retiree pensioners. So ang layunin po ng ating programa is mabigyan ng katugunan ang mga pangangailangan pinansyal ng ating mga retiree pensioners na hindi na po nila kailangang isanla yung kanilang ATM katulad po ng mga nasa private po ng mga lending companies.
Hanggang magkano yung pwedeng i-loan po dito ng ating retiree pensioners?
Opo, ang loanable amount po ng makukuha ng ating mga pensioner is ang minimum po niyan is ang halaga po is yung basic monthly pension po plus yung 1,000 additional benefit 3 times po hanggang ang maximum po is 200,000 pesos po.
Malaki-laki rin po ano.
Opo.
Pero sabi nga natin malaki yung sa mga nagpapautang, yung nagsasanla ng ATM, umaabot ng 20%, pero dito po sa SSS, magkano yung interest rate?
Opo, tama po yung nabanggit po ninyo, no? Compared po sa mga private lending companies, yung ating interest rate po ng pension loan program po natin ay nasa 10% per annum na po ito. So, lumalabas po na nasa 0.83 per month lang po yung ating interest.
At gaano po katagal, pinakamaigsi at pinakamahabang pwede nilang bayaran yung kanilang utang?
Yung loan term payment po ng ating program, kung halimbawa po is 3 times yung basic monthly pension and 1,000 additional benefit, ang payment term is nasa 6 months. Kung 6 times naman po ng basic monthly pension plus 1,000 additional benefit, ito po ay may payment term na 12 months po. Kung 9 times or 12 times po ng basic monthly pension plus yung 1,000 additional benefit, ito po ay may repayment terms po na 24 months.
Paano po ang bayaran nun? Automatic pong ikakalta sa natatanggap nilang monthly pension?
Yes po, tama po, Ms. Sherco. Yung monthly amortization po ng pension loan po, ito po ay i-deduct po natin sa monthly pension ng ating mga retiree pensioners. Ang kaigihan po kasi ng ating programa ay sinisiguro po natin na meron pa rin matitake home pay yung ating mga retiree pensioners pagka nag-avail po sila ng ating loan. So, we ensure na meron po silang at least 47.25% na matitira dun sa kanilang monthly pension.
At sino po ulit yung mga qualified at paano po makaka-avail nitong loan na ito, sir?
Ang mga qualified po ng para po sa ating pension loan program po ay may mga retiree pensioner po na at least may 1 month po na tumanggap po ng active pension. And yung sa end ng payment term is nasa 85 years old po sila or below. At saka wala po dapat na deductions sa kanilang monthly pension kung meron po sila mga outstanding loan balance katulad po ng SS Calamity Loan Package.
Again, ito po kalaruhin lamang natin para lang po ito sa mga retiree pensioners po.
Yes po, tama po, Ms. Cheryl. For the retiree pensioners po ito.
Para po sa mga karagdagang katanungan or clarification, saan po sila pwedeng makipag-ugnayan? Opo,
para sa mga katanungan po, pwede po sila mag-email po sa ating yung ating email, yung usaptayo@sss.gov.ph. Yung usap is ussap.tayo.gov.ph po. Pwede rin po silang tumawag po sa ating mga hotline po. Ang ating hotline po yung 13455 po.
13455.
Opo.
Okay. Marami pong salamat sa inyong oras. SSS Media Affairs Department Acting Head, Jay Labadia.